Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make a classic French pastry cream. This is a really easy recipe and it's really creamy and rich. Of course it's French, but what I really love about this recipe is that you can pipe it, so you can fill it in cakes or cupcakes. The recipe is really easy. You just want to add some milk to a saucepan. Then with our vanilla beans, which we're going to be splitting in half, look at all those thousands of vanilla pods inside. You're going to scrape that out and then pop it into the milk. We're going to whisk this until it just starts boiling around the sides. Take it off the heat. To a large mixing bowl, you're going to add some cornstarch, flour and sugar. Now the flour is actually going to help thicken this to the point where you can pipe it. Add your egg yolks and whisk those until they're well combined. Now we want to add that warm milk very slowly. So add a little bit in there, about a quarter, whisk it in, and then continue doing that until all of the milk is in there. Whisk, 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 and it's going to go back onto the stove, medium heat, and we're going to continue whisking until this thickens. Once you see little bubbles forming, you're going to take it off the heat, add your butter, which you want to make sure is cold, otherwise your mixture could split. Whisk that in there. Once it's nice and smooth, we're going to pop this through a sieve just to make sure that if there's any lumps in there, and there shouldn't be, you want to get rid of them because you want a nice smooth pastry cream. Cover this with plastic wrap, and then once it's chilled, I chill mine overnight, but just make sure it's chilled for a couple hours. Whisk it up. It's so creamy and smooth and delicious. I mean, you could just eat this with a spoon. I actually feed this to Zoe and she loves it. But what I really love about this recipe is that you can pipe it, so you can fill it in cakes or cupcakes. You can mix it into frosting or even fill a chocolate eclair with it.